Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the 3 best free video editing softwares for PC. No watermarks, no hidden charges, and perfect for beginners or content creators. So number one is the list is this Clipchamp. So now it is owned by Microsoft. Clipchamp is simple, fast, and built right into Windows 11. You can add it with the drag and drop tools, and you can add stock footages into it. You can also export it the full HD format of your video, and that too absolutely for free. It is great for shorts, videos, YouTube edits, and even for the social media reels. The second application in the list is the Kdenlive application. You can find it here on kdenlive.org. So this one is perfect if you want the professional control. Kdenlive is open source and it supports multiple tracks, effects, and keyframes, and it also works in both Windows and Linux. It is lightweight and it doesn't add any watermark, so it is ideal for the creators who want more flexibility without paying anything. The next software that I would like to mention is Davinci Resolve. So if you want Hollywood style quality, the Davinci Resolve is the software that you need. So DaVinci Resolve offers the color grading, audio mixing, and adventure transitions all with the free version. It is slightly heavier on your system specs, but the results looks cinematic and completely watermark free. So these are the 3 best free video editors for PC. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.